Hello everyone. In this video, self-assessment term 1 essay 1 exam 2025-26 class 10th subject social study question paper with key discuss. This paper and the key download to the telegram link on the description. Tap the link on the description and join the telegram group. Let's start the paper. Section A, answer all the question. Each question carries 1 marks. Which type of soil is associated with the diffusion of iron? Answer is a red soil. Answer is red soil. Question number 2. Find out the odd resources: wind, water, forest, fossil fuels. Odd one is a fossil fuels. Which of the following minerals is contained in the monazite sand? Oil, uranium, thorium, coal. What is the answer? Answer is a option C, thorium is the correct answer of the third question. Question number 4. Who remarked, when French sneezes, the rest of Europe catches cold? What is the answer? Answer Duke Metternich is the correct answer. Expand form of the MNC, multinational company. Multinational company. Now, in which year did the Great Dispersion occur? 1929. 1929. Give example of any two countries that have coming together federalism. USA, Australia. USA, Australia. Question number 8. How many languages are recognized as scheduled language by the Indian Constitution? 22 language. Answer is a 22. Ninth, what is a political party? Question number 10. The economic development that ensure the use of natural resource for current needs while safeguarding them for the future. Sustainable development. Answer is a sustainable development. Question number 11. Based on the first pair, fill the second pair. Infosys, IT, Ranbaxy. Ranbaxy is a pharma. This is a pharma. And now the next question. Question number 12. Arrange the following country from west to east based on their location. Japan, Mexico, India, England. First one is a Mexico. Second is England. Third is India. Fourth is Japan. Is the correct order of the question. Question number 13. What was the main aim of Bhudan movement? Question number 14. What are the uses of manganese? Question number 15. What is meant by the Bretton Woods Agreement? Question number 16. What was the Gutenberg contribution to the printing process? Write a short note of municipality in India. Question number 18. Caste alone cannot determine election result in India. Justify. Prepare a slogan on encouraging saving. Question number 20. The impact of globalization has not been uniform. Analyze this statement. Question number 21. Describe how communities have conserved and protect forest and wildlife in India. Explain the importance of conservation of minerals. Read the paragraph in your own word. Question number 24. Analyze the impact. Analyze the impact of the Jallianwala Bagh massacre of the national movement. How did it change people attitude towards British rule? Question number 25. Suggest any two solution of strengthen secularism in India. Give some suggestion of reform political parties. Some cooperative data of Haryana, Kerala and Bihar. Based on the given data, convert above into a bar graph. Question number 28. The market in India have transformed in recent years. Discuss a statement in the context of globalization. Question number 29. This one is the last section of 8 marks question. Compare the advantage and disadvantage of multi-purpose river project. Question number 30A. To what extent did the First World War contribute to the rise of industrial production in India? Question number 31. Imagine you are a policy advisor in a newly formed democratic country based on India experience. Suggests some providential and moral reason for adopting a power sharing system. Question number 32. Analyze the given graph. 1970 to 78 share sector of employment 2017 and 18. First one belonged to the tertiary sector, secondary sector and primary sector. Next one, this is the next question. Question number 33. Locate the following in the given outline map of India. Narmada River, Aravalli Mountain, Bihar, Mumbai, and internal Mahanadi River, Bhangra Nangal Dam, Kerala, Amravati. Locate the outline map of world. Japan, France, Bangladesh, Mexico, Australia, South Africa, USA, Spain. Now start to the answer. Section 1. Which type of soil is associated with the diffusion of iron? Answer, red soil or red and yellow soil. It is reddish color due to diffusion of iron in crystalline and metamorphic rock. Second one, find out the odd resources: wind, water, forest, fossil fuels. Answer, fossil fuels. Wind, water and forest are renewable resources while fossil fuels are non-renewable resources. Which of the following minerals is contained in monazite sand? Answer is thorium. Fourth is, who remark when France sneezes, the rest of Europe catches cold? Answer, Duke Metternich, Australian Chancellor. Question number 5. MNC expand, multinational corporation. 6. In which year the Great Dispersion occur? Answer, 1929, the year the Great Dispersion began. 7th, give example of any two countries that have coming together federations. Answer, USA, Australia or Switzerland. Question number 8. How many languages are recognized as scheduled language by the Indian Constitution? Answer, become 22 languages. 9th, what is a political party? A political party is a group of people who come together to contest election and hold power in the government. The economic development that ensure the use of natural resources for current need while safeguarding them for the future. Answer is sustainable development. Based on the first pair, fill in the second pair. Infosys, IT sector, Ranbaxy is a pharma company. Now the 12th question. Answer the following country west to east based on their location: Japan, Mexico, India, England. Answer is Mexico first and then England, India and Japan. 2 marks question. What was the main aim of Bhudan movement? The main aim of Bhudan movement, initiated by Vinoba Bhave, was persuade wealthy landowners to the voluntarily donated a portion their land. Bhudan is redistributed to landless poor family. What are the uses of manganese? Manganese is mainly used manufacturing of steel, ferromanganese, alloys. It also used manufacture bleaching powder, insecticides and paint. Question number 15. What is meant by Bretton Woods Agreement? The Bretton Woods Agreement was post WWII Accord 1944 that established the International Monetary Fund and the World Bank. Its aim was ensure economic stability and rebuild economics, creating a fixed exchange rate system page to the US dollar. 16th question. What was the Gutenberg contribution to the printing process? Johann Gutenberg developed Europe's first mechanical movable type printing press around 1440. This innovation used metal alloy types and press to print book like Gutenberg Bible quickly and cheaply, which revolutionized the spread of information. 17th. Write a note of municipalities in India. A municipality is a urban local government body for towns and smaller city establishes by the 74th Constitutional Amendment Act. It is responsible for providing local civic amenities like public health, sanitation, water supply, local roads and street lighting. Caste alone cannot determine election result in India. This statement is justified because no single constituency has clear majority of one caste, so parties must appeal to multiple casters. Voters often prioritize other factors like party performance, leadership, and key issues development economy over just caste affiliation. Prepare a slogan encouraging saving. Save today for a safer tomorrow. A penny saved in penny earned. Question number 20. The impact of globalization has not been uniform. Analyze this statement. This is true because globalization has created great opportunity for skilled professionals and large corporations, but is also posed challenges for small scale producers and low skilled workers who face intense competition from cheap imports, leading to job insecurity for some. 4 marks question. Describe how communities have conserved and protected forest and wildlife in India. Communities in India have played a vital role in conservation. Sacred grove. Many communities protect forest patches, scared groves, believing them to be home deities which prevent any human interference. Community lead movement. The Chipko movement in the Himalayas, led by local women, successfully resisted deforestation by hanging trees. Local initiatives in Rajasthan, Alwar district villagers declared 1,200 hectares of forest as the Bhairodev Dakao Sanctuary, creating their own rules of protection. Joint forest management. This program involves local communities in managing and restoring degraded forest in return for share of forest product. Explain the importance of conservation of minerals. Non-renewable minerals are finite sources that have taken millions of years to form and cannot be replenished quickly. Industrial backbones, they are essential industrial development, and hosting them would halt economic growth. Future generation, we have a moral duty to conserve them resources for future generation sustainable development. Environmental impact, mining is a highly polluting. Conserving minerals, reducing the environmental damage caused by extraction. Rewrite the paragraph in own word. The 1830 were the time of severe economic hardship in Europe. A population explosion meant there were for more people looking for work in available job. This forced many people from rural areas to move into overcrowded city slum. At the same time, small scale producer towns struggled to survive because they could not compete with the food of cheap machine made goods being imported from England. Analyze the impact of the Jallianwala Bagh massacre on the national movement. How did it change people attitude towards British rule? The Jallianwala Bagh massacre 1919 was turning point. Impact, it led to strike clashes with the police and the attack on government buildings across North India as people were horrified by the brutality. Exchange change in attitude, it completely shattered any faith Indians had in British justice. It exposed the violent and repressive nature of British rule, turning many moderate nationalists into firm believers that the British must be driven out. This widespread anger provided the popular support of Mahatma Gandhi non-cooperation movement. Question number 26. Some suggestion of the reform of the political party: regulate internal democracy, ensure financial transparency, mandate to women. Based on the given data of the bar graph. And the question number 28. The market in India transformed recent area. Discuss the statement in the context of globalization. Globalization has a profoundly transformed Indian market, increased choices. Consumer now have access to a vast array of goods and service from around the world. Greater competition. Indian companies face stiff competition for MNCs, which has forced many to improve their quality and efficiency, while some small producers have struggled. New markets, it has enabled Indian companies, IT, pharmaceuticals to access global market and expand. Service sector booms. The service sector, particularly IT BPO, has grown massively by the providing service to the global clients. And this one is a 8 marks question. Compare the advantage and disadvantage of the multi-purpose river project: irrigation, electricity, flood control, other benefits. Disadvantage: displacement, environmental damage, sedimentation, high cost is a disadvantage point. Narrate the geographical condition: required growth, rise, temperature, humidity, rainfall, soil, and land. Question number 30. To what extent did the First World War contribute to rise industrial production in India? Diversion of British mills, capturing the home market, supplying war needs, establishment of new industries. And the internal of the question: print culture assisted the growth nationalism in India. Examine the statement: spread of nationalist ideas, creating a national identity, exposing colonial conical misrules, inspiring through literature. Question number 31th A. In way does the multi-party system strengthen the democracy in a country like India? Representing diversity, providing wider choice, preventing authoritarianism, promoting consensus. And the 32A, analyze the graph. The graph compare the percentage of the workforce in primary, secondary and tertiary sector 1977, 78, 2017 and 18. Observation in 1970s and 78, the primary sector 71% was the largest employer by far, and 2017 and 18 its share dropped, signifying to 44 percentage. And observation 2, the share of secondary sector 11% to 25% and tertiary sector 18% to 31%, both increase. Analyze this. So its structural shift in the economy with the unemployment moving away from agriculture. However, the primary sector remains the largest employers, indicating a problem or underemployment distinguishes unemployment in agriculture as the sector produces less GDP but employs most people. And this one is a 32B question. Work map work. This sections require locating items, physical political map of India and the world. Thanks to watch, like and share and subscribe to channel. This PDF download to the Telegram PDF link on the description. Thank you so much.